Hi there. Now you already know how AlchemyJ works, let's have a look at why it is unique. It's normal for developers to spend long hours to turn complex calculation in Excel into codes. With AlchemyJ, you can turn the complex calculation in Excel into a component within seconds. What about working with DB? AlchemyJ allows you to do that in Excel directly without the needs to code it separately. It can work with SQL, MySQL, Oracle and Postgres easily. What about the forms you design nicely? Ensuring user filling forms with a standard you set is a tedious process. With the data dictionary, it ensures data completeness in the requirement collection process. AlchemyJ also includes API security to support authentication and authorization. It can also work with your own security component if needed. With API inspectors, you can monitor real-time on the API execution. It also serves as an interactive troubleshooting platform. Automatic testing framework in AlchemyJ lets users define the test cases and runs the cases automatically. It'll also generate a report with detailed results. AlchemyJ eliminates the trouble of API documentation by auto-generating OpenAPI Swagger specification. Instead of working on it alone, AlchemyJ supports multi-developer environment. It can automatically combine the models into a complete component. With over 300 Excel functions supported, AlchemyJ also adds close to 100 extended functions to enhance your experience in Excel. Despite the rich functions included, AlchemyJ also provides a framework that allows users to build their own functions in VBA and Java. Go to AlchemyJ.io and download our Community Edition to try it out today.